Yeah, hello everybody. I'm in the process of cleaning this Hauser Cross-table. It is number Hauser 155442. This one. And special about this cross table that it is accuracy is on 1 micron. It is made very beautiful. I will show you some parts. This one have a double needle bearing for the axial bearing. There's absolutely no play and it moves like it should. Just perfect. This lever here is for a fine adjustment. I will tell more about it in a later video. This of course you can put on 0. It has a super nice friction to it. The spindle is I guess the most accurate spindle ever made. This is the other one. The oil grooves are interesting as well. Here's a special one which goes into the nut. All these beautiful scraped surfaces. Yeah, so this is the side lineal for correction of spindle mistakes. Some small parts, covers. Yeah, now it's time to put everything back together. Thank you for watching.